This video shows how to fix the red status light on the front of the Technicolor version of the Telstra Generation 2 Smart Modem that sometimes occurs when the modem is turned on and has finished starting up. The light turns red and stays red instead of turning green. One method is to turn the modem off and then back on again, but a quicker way is to open a web browser on a device connected to the modem and go to http:// Password is Telstra, capital T. Go to Advanced, go to Internet, select Disconnect, wait a few seconds, and then select Connect. The red light should go off.